Our standard of auditing says SA 700 clean audit report revised applicable from 1st April 2018. Various illustrative formats of the auditor's report on the financial statement with a fair presentation framework has been prescribed. जहां पर ऐसे 700 में हमें अपनी रिपोर्ट को कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है इसके illustrative formats prescribe किए गए हैं. This standard particularly talks about clean audit report. If we are having any qualification, then it will be covered as a 705. 705 says we have to modify our audit report based on the our audit observations. Audit observations की हम बात करते हैं, then it will be have it is again classified into 3 category: qualification, adverse opinion, or disclaimer. So what opinion we are going to give, we have to see in this 705. अब हम जब रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं तो रिपोर्ट के टाइम हमें ये देखना है कि हमारी कोई जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं which is having material impact, then it will be modified, and if it is not having any material impact, then we can cover this information in long form audit reports. Apart from this, SA 706 जो बात करता है emphasis of matter paragraph and other matter paragraph in independent audit report. What is emphasis matter paragraph? जिस रिपोर्ट में हमें कोई ऑलरेडी इंफॉर्मेशन बैंक ब्रांच ने डिस्क्लोज कर रखी है उसको हाईलाइट करना चाहते हैं, लाइक कोई प्रोविजनिंग इंक्रीज करी है, कोई लॉस हो गया है बैंक का कोई अकाउंट जिसकी प्रोविजन उन्होंने कर दी है, देन स्टिल वी वांट टू हाईलाइट दोज एडवांसेस. लाइक 2 years बैक नीरव मोदी के केस में पीएनबी ने उस अकाउंट को जो ऑलरेडी लॉस हो गया था डिस्क्लोज भी किया था, प्रोविजनिंग भी बनाया था, बट स्टिल ऑडिटर्स has covered this in emphasis of matter paragraph because definitely we want to highlight this fact to the public at large, to the stakeholders, society. Then moving ahead with other matter paragraph talks about the responsibility of auditors. अगर हमारी responsibility से related जब हम branch का audit करते हैं, then certain matters which has been dealt with the central office level. What are those matters? Like depreciation provisioning, employee benefits provisioning, audit fee provisioning, या standard assets पर जो हम provision की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो सारे provision central office में बनाए जाते हैं. अगर हम किसी branch का कोई audit कर रहे हैं और हम उनके provisions जो prescribed हैं नहीं करते हैं, then our responsibility lie that we have to disclose these matters in the other matter paragraph. Thereafter, I would like to show some examples regarding how we can qualify our report on the basis of information which we gather during the course of audit.
Optotex India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support. And it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have. And it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2way. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.